It's been amazing today on the night of June 2023. We have Poikkikatu 4 degrees B here in Lahti, Finland. It's amazing.
Yeah.
Best day stream versus the point curves with them being 6 pictures still. And this is the second speed. I hope we can get to the stick as A and C later.
Yeah.
Yeah. But you haven't filmed any before?
I will see.
Okay. But in 1971, probably the beginning of 1971, they're 50 years old in 2021, completely with MB6 pictures still. Silver SH25218. Unfortunately, they were uploaded also here, but they are gone, unfortunately.
Yeah.
They've been replaced too early.
Yeah, Lokatu 4.
It's going to be inspected in 2025. Two rides.
Yeah.
Or 250 kilograms.
Mm.
I like the sounds of the smell in here.
Same.
It's still quiet.
Yeah.
It just feels sometimes embarrassing to try to get into all of them.
Yeah. Inspected by Kone, maintained by Kone.
No, it's impossible.
Yeah.
But it was like we heard something.
Yeah.
But they didn't come down.
Mm.
It's so embarrassing always. That's what sometimes makes me laugh.
Yeah. But I think it's not embarrassing in Lahti, but it's in
Kuopio and Rauma and Rovaniemi.
yes.
That's it.
Yeah, that's